Another way to approach finding good sources is to locate all of the resources that your library subscribes to. And at the Boston Public Library, that's here by clicking A to Z resources. And I want to preface this by saying that um, I've been a reference librarian for a while now, and there is no one right way to do anything, nor do I know everything, nor does one reference librarian know it all. There's some really great ones, and I'm always learning things from other people. This is a much harder way to go, but it also may lead you to some really unusual finds. So let's say that I want to find out about becoming a chef, and I am going to look at all the things that I could possibly choose, all of the databases from the Boston Public Library. Um, I stop here and I say world food, but no, that's more about food itself, not the process of making it or becoming a chef. Um, Botanical Library, that's an encyclopedia, maybe would be good, but I think I'm looking for something more related to business. And I happen to know that one of the resources the Boston Public Library subscribes to is something called Gale. It's a bunch of different journals, magazines, and so forth. They have a lot of database products. And when I see, hmm, business, that might be interesting. But wow, look at this, culinary arts. I'm going to click on this database, which is just all about the business and the insides and outs of culinary um, art. And let's say I want to find out about chef education. Part of knowing how to search these things is figuring out how articles are indexed. See if I come up with anything. And in fact, there are 248 magazines, 5 academic journals, 2 books, and 156 um, articles from newspapers. Education benefits chefs, food formulators. Maybe that's something I want to look at. Not quite right. So maybe I'll try something like chef training. And in fact, I see that that is a keyword indexed here. Hmm, this one looks interesting. Training for young chefs as part of a national vocational qualifications is disastrously inadequate. Hmm, that might actually be something I'm interested in reading. Going back to the search results, I see that there are ways that I can filter my results, which is very important when you have 862 things to go through. You might do it by date, you might do it by type, you might do it by how hard it is to read. That's called the Lexile measure. You might do it by publication title. Certainly want full text documents. You don't just want abstracts. But here's another thing that this particular product offers. I can find I can find what I'm looking for with this thing called a topic finder. So if I say chef training again, the chart, I can now see a visualization, and I can do this as tiles or as a wheel. And then I can sort of see how things are split up. Well, I want to know about cooking schools, let's say. So if I click on it, I get a whole bunch of articles that might be relevant. I want to know about the food industry in general. I can go there. Or finding out about schools. Look at this one, agency working on transfers. LA Culinary School shuts down. Well, I guess I won't be applying there. Anyway, that's just another way that you can make your search more effective.